Welcome to the Dermatology Studio with Dr. Yusra Ayaz.
Okay, let's dive into the fascinating world of a newborn's skin and what you can expect.
You know, a baby's first look can be a little surprising as their skin adjusts to the world.
First up, let's get some key terms down so we're all on the same page. A newborn's skin is a protective barrier, and boy, does it get stronger in those first few days.
And yep, they can sweat. It's how they cool down, and it mostly happens on their forehead. Now what about that famous newborn coating? That's all thanks to their very active oil glands.
This stuff is called Vernix caseosa. Think of it as a natural protective lotion they're born with.
Notice their hands and feet are a bit blue? That's peripheral cyanosis, and it's totally normal. You might also see a general redness. Don't worry, this erythema usually fades in a day or two.
And this is wild, the Harlequin color change. It's just their immature circulation figuring things out.
If your baby gets chilly, you might see this lacy pattern. It just vanishes once they're warm again.
And all that skin peeling? It's called desquamation, and it's just the old top layer coming off.
Some babies get a head start. These are sucking blisters from them practicing in the womb. Losing a little hair is also super common, sometimes leaving a bald spot where they rest their head.
See those tiny white bumps? That's just milia, blocked oil glands that clear up on their own.
Thanks to mom's hormones, newborns can go through a miniature puberty. So wild, right?
You might also spot some darker patches of skin, like Mongolian spots. They're harmless and fade away.
Peek inside their mouth. You might see tiny white dots called Epstein's pearls. Totally fine.
Okay, but what about babies born early or late? Their skin story is a little different.
Preemies often have very delicate, almost see-through skin and a coat of fine, downy hair.
Now, babies who arrive late, they might have drier, wrinkly skin and longer fingernails.
So, the most important thing to remember is almost all of these skin quirks are normal and temporary.
It's an amazing adaptation, right? It really shows that incredible journey from the womb to the world.
Thanks for watching. Hit like, share, and subscribe to the Dermatology Studio. Ask your skin queries in the comments below.